Welcome to Kim's Creations. I am going to do, hopefully, a sunflower picture. I am totally going to try and copy AB Creative's one that she did. Now with acrylic pouring, there's no such thing as an exact copy, and I am using different paints with this, but it's basically her idea and her shades. So what I did was I went online and I bought this metallic, it's actually called an egg tart mold. And there were, I think, 12 of these in a package. You can get them on Amazon. And I have done 3 attempts already using this. So I actually super glued this kind of like a decorative stone that, you know, those beads that you get from the dollar store that you can put in jars. And I put it on here and I'm hoping that it will help to disperse the paint a little more easily down the side. Just create like a little bit more of a conical shape to get that paint flowing off. We'll see. I don't know. I have not tried this. So, all right, I am going to start. As you can see, this was originally a white canvas, and I painted the edges black just to get them all covered before I put the paint down. I would normally not have covered this much of the canvas. I probably would have just covered, you know, that much, but I put more in the bottom of my cup than I thought, and we don't want to waste any paint, so that's why it looks like this. All right, so speaking of the canvas, I am going to lay down just a little bit of paint, get this started. Okay, so I have my base down. I am going to pop the bubbles. All right, looks good. All right, let's do this. Start again. All right, I think that's probably good enough. I'm going to see if I can do a better job this time of lifting this up off of there. All right, let's try it. Let's grab the pointy end. I'm going to bring this in. Much better. Much, much better. Okay, so there is my center. I am just going to add black in there just to push that out a little bit. I like my little center there. So that's the center of the sunflower. And now we're going to add paint around it. What to do? All right, I think I'm going to do, this is Liquitex Primary Yellow. And I'm going to have it, I'm going to do this pretty carefully around the edge here. I'm gonna have to get closer in areas. There. Okay. Well, that part right there is not okay. I'm going to cover up that black just because the black, when you go to swipe it, which is what I'm going to do, if you don't have that yellow on there, it can turn a little green, which is okay. All right, now we're going to put copper. So again, the copper is Deco Art Metallics in Copper. I'm going to do some gold on here. This is Deco Art 24K. If I can get it out. Now I'm going to use Artist Loft Metallic Orange. So I'm using different brands of paints. I'm also using metallics and non-metallics, although most of these are a kind of metallic color. Art Minds Metallic Warm Pearl. Want to add some of that in. There. Now I am going to add another round of this bright yellow. It was the Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow. All right, I got my swipe circle. My idea is to get that bit of yellow and swipe it off. I have this great business card that I'm going to use. Got rounded edges, so we'll just see what happens. I am seeing bubbles, so it reminds me that I better torch. There's a little bit of dry I think I should be okay. I was gonna say there's a little bit of dry canvas, but I should be okay. What I am seeing here though is that I need to add, I don't have enough of a yellow line for my card to dip into. So I just want to top that up. Keep that handy. Okay. So I'm going to start here. And swipe up. That was not the best swipe. I am going to add a little black onto that corner. Add a little more yellow here. Let's just try that again. All right, let's go this way. Wipe off the card. Change the angle. It's interesting, this is not working as well as a swiping tool as I was hoping. It's a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change up my swiping tools, I think. And I believe some of the problem is my canvas is dry. Thought I had enough paint down here to make it work, but apparently not. Got the cells kind of from the gold. Good blending of the colors. Got the bright yellow center that gives it that hint of sunflower-ishness. Sunflower-ishness. Aye. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up and then I will clean up my edges. All right, I'm gonna bring you around so you can see it from my perspective. But of course, you know, it could be hung any which way. Sorry, the ring light is going to be in here. Maybe if I back up and come out. So what do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with this one. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And I think I should be turning it this way. Yes, I should. All right, there it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please hit the thumbs up if you like what you see. And if you're a new viewer, please, of course, consider subscribing so that the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. All right, thanks for watching Kim's Creations.